and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to make spiral bead necklace with size 3 sand bead and size 2 sand bead. Let's begin. The items you'll be needing for this tutorial are your presser, your cutter, your needle, your fishing line, 0.35 fishing line. I'm using AB Frank fishing line. Your size 3 sand bead, your size 2 sand bead. So next you do is to cut 1 yard of your fishing line. The next you do is to press the tip with a presser. The next you do is to slit your fishing line into your needle. The next you will do is to pick one size 3 sand bead and slit it into your fishing line. Then you pick 4 size 2 sand bead and slit it into your fishing line. You pick 1 size 3 sand bead and slit it into your fishing line. You pick 4 size 2 sand bead and slit it into your fishing line. You pick 1 size 3 sand bead and slit it into your fishing line. You pick 4 size 2 sand beads and slit it into your fishing line. The next you do is to tie the end of it. Tie it 3 times. Draw it firmly. Don't tie your fishing line on your beads. So the next you do is to pick 4 size 2 sand beads and slit it into your fishing line. Then you pick 1 size 3 sand bead and slit it into your fishing line. So the next you do is to pass your needle into the size 3 sand bead. You draw it firmly. The next you do is to pick 4 size 2 sand bead and slit it into your fishing line. Then you pick 1 size 3 sand bead and slit it into your fishing line. Next you do is to pass your needle into the size 3 sand bead. Next size 3 sand beads. Draw it firmly. The next you do is to pick 4 size 2 sand beads and slit it into your fishing line. You pick 1 size 3 sand bead and slit it into your fishing line. Then you pass your needle into the next size 3 sand beads. Draw it firmly. And you pick 4 size 2 sand beads and slit it into your fishing line. And pick 1 size 3 sand bead and slit it into your fishing line. next size 3 sunbeams. Draw it firmly. The next you do is to pick 4 size 2 sunbeams and slip it into your fishing line, and pick 1 size 2 sunbeams and slip it into your fishing line. Pass your needle into the next size 3 sunbeams, the one at the top. Draw it firmly. The next you do is to pick 4 size 2 sunbeams and pick 1 size 3 sunbeams and slip it into your fishing line. Pass your needle into the next size 3 sunbeam, the one at the top. Draw it firmly. The next you do is to pick 4 size 2 sunbeam and slip it into your fishing line, and pick 1 size 3 sunbeam and slip it into your fishing line. You pass your needle into the next size 3 sunbeam, the one at the top. You draw it firmly. The next you do is to pick 4 size 2 sunbeam and slip it into your fishing line, and pick 1 size 3 sunbeam and slip it into your fishing line. Pick 1 size 3 sunbeams. Next you do is to pass your needle into the next size 3 sunbeams at the top. You draw it firmly. The next you do is to pick 4 size 2 sunbeams and slip it into your fishing line, and pick 1 size 3 sunbeam and slip it into your fishing line. Pass your needle into the next size 3 sunbeams at the top. Draw it firmly. As you can see, our bead is forming, so you continue like that until you get the length you want. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your loved ones, and subscribe down below so as to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you.